As of today, Thursday, January 1, 2026, the stock market is closed in observance of the New Year's Day holiday. This means there is no live intraday trading activity occurring right now. However, looking back at the final trading session of 2025, Ondas Holdings, Inc., trading under the ticker ONPS on the Nasdaq, finished the year on an exceptionally strong note. The stock closed at $9.76 per share on Wednesday, December 31, 2025, which represented a significant daily gain of 79 cents, or roughly 8.79%. Trading volume was remarkably high, with over 156 million shares changing hands, a clear indicator that institutional and retail interest is surging as we head into the new year. While many investors might look at a company like Ondas and see just another small-cap tech name, the reality on the ground is far more complex and potentially more rewarding than the surface-level narrative suggests. The common expectation for Ondas has long been that of a speculative drone startup struggling to move past the development phase. People often grouped it with high-risk, low-reward penny stocks that failed to scale. But the reality we are seeing at the start of 2026 is a company that has effectively transitioned into a defense and industrial powerhouse. They aren't just making drones anymore. They are building an integrated ecosystem of autonomous systems that are becoming critical for national security and large-scale infrastructure. If you look at how the stock behaved in that final session of 2025, the jump to $9.76 didn't happen in a vacuum. It was sparked by a major announcement that the company had secured approximately $10 million in new purchase orders. These aren't just generic orders. They include counter-drone solutions for critical infrastructure and robotic ground platforms for government security customers. This creates a fascinating curiosity loop for anyone watching the sector. While names like Nvidia stock or Apple stock dominate the headlines with their massive market caps, smaller players like Ondas are quietly winning high-stakes government tenders that could redefine their entire financial trajectory over the next 12 months. For those of you managing your own portfolios through an individual brokerage or perhaps using the Fidelity mobile app, this kind of movement is what separates the noise from the signal. Most people using popular investing sites or the Robinhood app are often looking for the next big thing in consumer tech, but the real action is often found in specialized industrial technology. When you compare the performance of Ondas to the broader market, you see a stock that has grown nearly 300% over the past year. That kind of return is hard to find even if you are heavily invested in Tesla stock or other high flyers. It challenges the common belief that small-cap defense tech is too volatile to touch. The reality is that the volatility is currently trending sharply to the upside, backed by a backlog that has more than doubled in just a year. Recent institutional activity suggests that the smart money is taking notice as well. We've seen significant positions being built or maintained by firms that handle large-scale wealth management. Whether you use Fidelity Wealth Management or prefer the automated approach of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, the inclusion of high-growth names like Ondas is becoming a more common strategy for those seeking alpha outside of the S&P 500. Even users on the SoFi trading platform or interactive brokers have seen Ondas climbing the ranks of most active tickers. This isn't just retail hype on a Robinhood stock trading screen. It's a fundamental shift in how the market views the intersection of AI, robotics, and defense. One of the most striking things about Ondas is how they've managed their capital. Unlike many tech firms that burn through cash with no end in sight, Ondas has fortified their balance sheet. According to recent reports, the company holds more cash than debt, which is a rare find in the high-growth autonomous systems sector. This financial health allows them to be aggressive with acquisitions, such as their recent completion of the Roboteam Ltd purchase. This particular move expanded their reach into over 30 countries, providing tactical unmanned ground vehicles to military forces worldwide. For a person looking at online investing options, this kind of global footprint provides a level of diversification that most small tech firms simply can't match. Let's break down what's actually happening under the hood of this business. Ondas operates through two primary units, Ondas Networks and Ondas Autonomous Systems. The network side is all about secure, private wireless broadband. Think of it as the nervous system for mission-critical industrial Internet of Things applications. They serve railroads, utilities, and oil and gas companies, industries where a connection failure isn't just an inconvenience, it's a catastrophe. On the other side, Ondas Autonomous Systems is where the headline-grabbing drone technology lives. Their drone-in-a-box solutions, like the Optimus system, are designed for continuous, remote operation. Instead of needing a pilot on site, these systems can be deployed, fly their mission, and return to a docking station for charging and data offloading, all autonomously. This robot-as-a-service model is a key part of why the revenue growth has been so explosive. In the third quarter of 2025, they reported a revenue surge of 580% year-over-year. Think about that for a second. While a massive company might be happy with 10 or 20% growth, Ondas is operating on a different scale of expansion. They've raised their 2025 revenue target to at least $36 million and have set an incredibly ambitious goal of $110 million for 2026. This target is what's keeping investors glued to their screens on Interactive Brokers' platform or checking their Robinhood investments every morning. If they hit that $110 million mark, we are looking at a company that has successfully crossed the chasm from a niche player to a major industry leader. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are real risks here that any smart investor using investment help or self-investing tools needs to consider. The company is still not profitable. They reported a net income loss in the most recent quarter, largely because they are spending so much to scale their operations and integrate new acquisitions. Operating expenses nearly doubled recently, hitting over $18 million. This is the classic trade-off. You spend now to own the market later. If you're the kind of person who prefers the stability of Fidelity mutual funds or low-volatility Fidelity ETFs, a single stock like this might feel a bit like a roller coaster. But for those using SoFi Active Investing or seeking high-growth stocks to buy for 2026, the risk-reward profile is becoming increasingly attractive as the company nears its target of EBITDA positivity in the second half of this year. The competitive landscape is also worth noting. When you're looking for the best investing sites to compare stocks, you'll see Ondas often compared to names like AeroVironment. While AeroVironment is a more established player, Ondas is positioning itself as the more integrated, flexible option. They are combining air and ground robotics with proprietary communication networks, creating a system of systems. This integrated approach is exactly what modern defense departments are looking for. They don't want 5 different platforms from 5 different vendors. They want one ecosystem where everything talks to everything. This is where Ondas is starting to pull ahead of the pack. I want to take a second here and ask you all something. Given the massive surge in defense spending globally and the clear trend towards autonomous systems, do you think a company like Ondas can actually hit its $110 million revenue target for 2026, or is that target too aggressive given the current economic climate? Comment below how many shares of ONDS you currently hold, or if you're waiting for a pullback before jumping in. Looking at the institutional side again, it's interesting to see where the support is coming from. We've seen filings showing new stakes from major management groups. When a company starts appearing in the portfolios of institutions that also hold massive amounts of Apple stock or Nvidia stock, it signals a level of validation that is hard to ignore. Whether these shares are held in a standard individual brokerage account or through more specialized Fidelity IRAs, the message is clear. The market is beginning to price in the possibility of Ondas becoming a dominant force in the autonomous defense sector. The technical setup on the chart is also something to watch. After finishing the year at $9.76, the stock is sitting just below its 52-week high of $11.70. It has established strong support around the $9 and $8.20 levels. For those who enjoy technical analysis on the Interactive Brokers platform or using the tools provided by a SoFi robo-advisor, the upward-sloping moving averages are a textbook bullish signal. The volume on the last day of the year suggests that there was a rush to get into the stock before 2026 began, likely in anticipation of the January purchase orders the company mentioned in its recent press release. As we look towards the next several months, several catalysts could drive the price even higher. We have a strategic government tender for a large-scale autonomous border protection system with an initial purchase order expected this month. If that comes through as expected, the reality will once again exceed the expectations of the skeptics. Furthermore, the company's collaboration with European partners like Heidelberger Druckmaschinen AG to establish manufacturing capacity in Europe could be a major development for their global scaling efforts. This would position them to capture more of the defense modernization spending currently happening across NATO and EU member states. The business model itself is evolving from a technology-first approach to a scale-first approach. The management team, led by CEO Eric Brock, has been very vocal about this. They aren't just trying to invent the best drone, they are trying to build the most efficient, scaled business in the unmanned systems space. This shift is vital because the market is moving away from experimental technology towards battle-proven, deployable platforms. By acquiring